And 2025.
Jerry, watch out. Jerry, looking at the camera and say, Jerry, looking at the camera. Jerry, looking at the camera and say,
Relationship I do hit and run.
Oh, you bad boy. You bad boy.
Very bad boy.
How old are you, Stumpy? How old are you, darling?
Oh, I'm 70, but my cocky is 20.
Oh. Brilliant!
What age body you want, man?
I think we've established what I'm going to be getting. So I'll enjoy meeting you when we pop over.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I want to spread you like a turtle. And cut you like a fish.
Promises, promises.
Me have everything because of the promise. Me have the gift.
Marie, pick up. Ben, tanker baby.
He does indeed say not interested. It's quite surprising. Well, it's been lovely meeting you, my darling.
Yeah. Yeah, we can go
I'll give you a follow. I will make sure I've followed you.
Me not stop follow you. Me not stop follow you. Me haven't got in now watch me follow you.
All right, Manda, get up, lift up. Manda, you talked enough with my fiance. Lift up now, Manda. I'll see you around, old hag.
Yeah,
You cheeky bitch.
See you later.
See you later.
See you later, free guy, frog guy. Always want other people's hands. You always
Listen here with your bad hair.
always want
you
other
got to take a woman, man. You like take a man,
walls.
one man.
You got no walls.
You can't find a
You
man
got
for
no walls.
yourself. You can't find a man for yourself. You come out with your fish eye glass and oh look, man. Eyeglass, you got beetle juice.
Oh really? And you was flirting with her?
No, baby, I wasn't flirting. I was telling you, but you want to hear it, so I tell her that both of you heard it. No, baby, I would never catch that all. My pen is too small. That's a big roaring pig. And baby, look at her eyes. She look like she on beetle juice. Baby, if you catch me cheating on her, you'd carry me to the station and then lock me up with that. Me cheat on you with she? Oh my God. No, baby. I would never.
Dear. Oh, okay.
I would never cheat on you with her, baby. I'd rather cheat on with my hands. Yeah, and back it up.
You get a restriction. Oh. Hey, baby, listen.
Yeah.
Hey, look, Rosalie.
Who? The big cow. Where's she there?
I've invited her.
She's alive.
Black people, this is not to go back to Feta then.
Yeah.
That fool back now, me come back.
Yeah.
Come back with the DJ when they can't go.
He back.
Him a fool, him a don't check, him a idiot. Hunger bees, me know sting around where me know shop. Gully Baptist, me a go lick it down flat. Now I go use no stone and crate and lick it down flat. I can't just lyrics coming up and more top. And Gully Baptist, me know me a hard not picture. But the man that shut up and put a lady in a frock. When Gully Baptist, they must sit and take the dog cart. Say go on, Lamba Jerry, yes.
This man.
Tell him.
I'm gonna kill me back in a fucking jail. You think me gonna go jail again? I would have suicide my body. I drink some poison. I would have do a jam my body in one time. Believe me, bad man.
But I would never go send my body on a rope. But me do send my body and do
Joe nobody.
Jing don't sit down like to get me blood clot, baby.
So you're not drinking Grand Poison?
And my body now, no. Then I'm not telling my body. Me tell him not style, I'm a damn life. Then me not go there. Then for more kill me body and nobody now to kill me. Me suicide me body. Me no give up on
Word at God 0 to 100 in seconds.
What the blood clot, you know, go along your bumbo clot here. You know, have a woman they go shine in and blood clot crotches, your ras clot. Me can come in your yard, they shine camera up on your bumbo wall.
You're mad.
They almost mad, your ras clot mad. They shine camera up on me blood clot.
Come in my yard now.
I'm not mad man, a ras clot for your draw machete when me come out of your ras clot here and you see you coming up from me, they shine blood clot camera up on me.
So go for your machete now.
If I catch you, bust your blood clot.
Bet.
Alright. I bet you turn up and I bust you. Alright.
Bet.
Alright. I'm going to show you that bet. I bust up your blood clot. I'll show you every bet me.
Use a knife.
No knife too sharp, you go to the chop your fuck and blood up your bum.
You're a coward, you don't do me nothing.
Coward, you come with you yourself, you don't come in your body.
You're a coward. You're a coward.
Make a way find your boss,
you're
your
a coward.
Blood clot and show you
Bet.
Bet. Make a find you, show you you're a coward. Make a find you, if you no boss, your bum clot and I'll tell you everything coming in your blood clot.
Look for now.
So your blood clot coming one shine camera.
Look for. Look for now.
I'll show you.
Police and Falmouth along with Kingston police come in my yard, so they come on an operation, lick off my shop what me lock up from storm, rob up my sheet, thief away my $25,000, gone with my son. Until now they don't tell me what they take my son for. So hear me, Mr. Andrew Holness. Look in on my shop, they rob me, rob all of my liquor them, gone with all of my big buckler any to them. These police from town are some thieving police. And hear me now, Andrew Holness. Remember, you know, I'm okay that time now, you know. So them police are never come in on my yard. No time at all. Remember, so I don't get no justice, you know, for my daughter, you know. I know them police are left on town with Falmouth police them come rob my shop, break my shop, lick off my shop, see them, Mr. Holness, lick off my shop, see there. Me I show you all out, you know, so yourself, you don't want me get brutal. Just try to tell them. The inspector of Falmouth fi come take a look at me now, nail up it.
And your mother they shake.
And right now, all my mother they shake. So I want to know this, you know, Andrew Holness. I want to clock the strike, you know. Them police can't come rob me money. Rob me things, them see they fling out all my juice, them a gun out of my shop and all these things. Pull up my suitcase and rob me.